for we are to God the fragrance of Christ. 2 Corinthians 2 verse 15.
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Toffee and this is Top Notes by Toffee. So if today is the first time you're seeing my face, I'm a fragrance reviewer from Lagos, Nigeria, and I'll be elated if you subscribe to the channel. Today in the video, I have a haul video, and it's a house, like I hauled from a particular house. And if you're interested in knowing the 3 fragrances and the house from which I hauled from, without much ado, let's get into it. Welcome back. So today I hauled in 3 fragrances from a house called Surrati. This house is located in Saudi Arabia, and so it's a Middle Eastern brand. I first saw a fragrance from them from my scent sister Jasmine Fa here on YouTube, and she's La Jolie 2 Scents on Instagram. Go and follow her massively because she always has reviews on her Instagram stories and also on her Instagram pages, and now she does some really bomb reels, so go check it out now. So, and like I was saying, Jasmine talked about this particular one, Royal Musk Caramel Toffee. I'm going to talk about that last, but I'm going to first talk about Patchouli Apple. It's on the so all these scents are musk based scents, so they're quite powdery. But first of all, let's look at the bottle. Can you see? This is the cutest bottle ever. So I got 30 ml of these ones because I wasn't super sure of what they were like, so I got 30 ml of them, and this is what they look like. These ones are oils, as you can see. I'm trying, I can't remember how. Okay, so there was something different about how these things opened. I'm trying to remember what. Okay, yes, so I opened them. This is it. So it's a super, can you see? Very thick oil consistency, like so. And it smells amazing. So this smells straight of like crisp green apples with fresh patchouli at the back. These oils are very, you know what, let me put it on my skin so that I can show you. They're very thick and they're very, so can you see? Very thick and very, very oily. So it has a very high oil concentration. This smells like apple. Like, these fragrances are very realistic. When I put a reel of my unboxing, if you're not following my Instagram, I am Top Notes by T on Instagram. Please follow me because sometimes I do most of the unboxing there before I come and share here on Instagram. So if you want the previews and the sneak peeks of what is going to happen on the channel here, my Instagram is where you should be. Okay, so yeah, this is fruity. I like this for night wear. These are very, very literal fragrances. Like, they smell like, so story time. When I was unboxing this, I did it outside, you know, just because I wanted sunlight. I didn't want to turn on anything. And you know, when I was trying to, you know, smell them, I had like insects coming around. That's how real they smell. They smell like fruits, you know, very beautiful. I think these are very perfect, especially this one. I think it's very perfect for layering. It's very beautiful. I don't know why. I don't know if it is the bottle shape, but it feels like there's a consistency, or like, I've been shaking it, but I'm beginning to assume that it is nothing that is there. Can you see the gradient? But I think that's how the bottle was made, because I'm always shaking it rigorously, thinking that maybe it's something that stuck there, but I'm beginning to think that that's how the bottle is made. This is so beautiful, I have to say. And then the next one is the pomegranate. How do you call that word? Pomegranate. I'm going to put it, I've never been able to call it because it's not a fruit in Africa, so I don't know it. I just don't know it. Okay, and raspberry. This one is beautiful. My daughter said this one looks like lip gloss, and I can agree with her. Can you see? So this, I think, is how the bottles are made, because this one too has the same gradient thingy going on, but these bottles, man, they're beautiful. They're so beautiful, especially the 30 ml bottles. Very, very beautiful. This is, again, it's a fruity, very bright berry like. Yep, it smells really edible. Really, it smells like a raspberry jam very, very bright berry jam, raspberry and blueberry jam. That's how it smells like. Very literal. So if you want the lights gourmands, the smell literal, smell like the real deal thing, this one is definitely one for you. Okay, and then I want to go to the one that, you know, got me into the entire line, which is the caramel toffee. Whoa, caramel toffee is great. This one I got the 100 bottle because I trust Jasmine. So this is how this one is. This is not an oil. The 100 bottle is like perfume. It is an eau de perfume. This is what it looks like, but the bottles are gorgeous, aren't they? They're so gorgeous. This is just, oh my gosh. So this one too, story time. So I have a friend who makes sticky toffee fudge, and so when I sprayed this thing, my daughter thought that I had bought the fudge. So she was asking me, did you buy the fudge from Auntie Tolani? I was like, no, I didn't. It smells like, so the fudge comes with like a sticky toffee drizzle. It smells exactly like it, just that this one has like slight bit of coffee in it. It has a caramel toffee nest to it, but with coffee drizzled into it. It's so beautiful. Like, I'm thinking of 1,000 ways to just layer this. This is super beautiful. It's definitely a winter scent because of what it smells like. It also smells like the holidays. I'm thinking like Christmas, Thanksgiving, you two coming smelling like a snack, you know. This is it. This is so beautiful. It has, I haven't tested out longevity, to be honest, but I think it's quite long lasting because when I put it on my wrist, I could continually smell it over and over and over and over again. So I think that yes, it has quite some great longevity to itself. So if you have had any experiences with Surrati fragrances, I'm going to be really excited to hear from you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have anything to say, if you have comments to share, don't forget to put it in the comment section. I'll be there with you. And also, if you are not subscribed till this point, don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you are always notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay centered. Bye-bye.